How to change chart style in TradeLocker application using your smartphone. Are you trying to customize your TradeLocker charts? If yes, then follow along. First thing you want to do is to launch open the TradeLocker application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage logged into your account, go to the upper left corner and tap on the BTC USD drop down as shown on my screen at the moment. After you tap on that, you'll see the select instrument tab. Go ahead and pick your preferred instrument from the list and you'll be able to see its chart page. You'll see that you have this kind of a chart style. If you want to go ahead and change that, then go ahead and tap on this little chart icon right next to the 5M option at the top left as shown on my screen, and you'll be able to see a couple of different chart styles appearing on the screen. You'll typically find options such as candles, hollow candles, volume candles, line, area, Heikin Ashi, etc. Go ahead and choose your preferred style from the list. Most traders use the candlestick options or the candle chart options, where you'll be able to find different other options under candles, that is hollow candles, volume candles, etc. Just select your type and you'll be able to see the chart style changed immediately. You'll also be able to find a couple of different options such as line chart, bar chart, area chart, etc. Click the style you want and you'll be able to see the change immediately in the chart page. Changing the chart style in TradeLocker only takes a few seconds, and it can make chart analysis much more comfortable. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video with more easy tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.